In this video, you are going to learn how to make a pen magically move from your spectator's hand while it is in their hand and you are not even going to touch it. So hey everybody, I'm Sholazari. You're watching Making Impossible. Let's start our today's video. Okay guys, this is what the trick looks like. Now for this trick, for the performance, I need a spectator because the spectator is going to hold the pen upright just like that. But since I don't have one, I'm just going to use this box right over here and I'm just going to keep this pen in this position, in the upright position, as if the spectator is holding it. So let's assume that the spectator is holding the pen in this position, and as you can see, my hands, they are completely empty, and I'm just going to use my force. I'm going to use my telekinetic force, and without touching the pen, I'm just going to make it fall just like that. So that's the trick. Many of you might know it, but think again, because there are a lot of basic things that you need to look before you can actually go and perform this in front of a spectator. Because yes, this is obviously done using an invisible string, but the grip also matters, which might mess the trick. So let's see how to hold the pen, how to make the spectator hold the pen, and then do the performance. That is the most easiest part. So let's see how this trick is done. Okay guys, this is how this trick is done. Now for this trick, you're going to use a very delicate gimmick called the invisible stretchable loops. If you're new to these loops, I have a separate video for it, how to use it, how to wear it, and just go and watch that video before watching this video so that you know how to wear these loops around your hand and you don't break it, because they are very delicate. So the link to that video will be given in the description box as well as in the cards. And let's start the video. Let's start the tutorial of this trick. So at first, you're obviously going to wear one of those loops around your hand just like that. So the loop is running from here, over here, and around your hand just like that. And you can't see it because they're pretty much invisible. And you're going to have a pen, and you're going to have your spectator hold the pen in a certain way. Now the spectator will be holding the pen with 3 fingers only. That is the first condition. So you're not going to say that you're going to hold the pen with 3 fingers only. You're going to say that put your hand like this, make your 3 fingers like this, and as they does that, you're going to place the pen in that position and tell them to hold this pen firmly with those 3 fingers. So that's how you're going to make them hold the pen with these 3 fingers. And not only that, you're also going to make them hold the pen from the tip, not in between, because if the pen is in between, you can't drop the pen. You need a lot of force in order to drop the pen. So if they hold at the tip, it is very easy to drop the pen. So make sure you make your spectators hold the tip of the pen, whether it's the top or the bottom, doesn't really matter. So as long as the spectator holds the pen just like that, you're going to make them hold the pen with these 3 fingers and in this upright position, vertically from the ground. So that's the way the spectator is going to hold the pen. And then after that, your job is very easy. All you need to do is you're going to say that you can see my hands are empty, and then when you rub your hands together, all you're doing is you're coming over here, and since the loop is running around this part of the hand, there's a gap over here between the loop and your palm, and you're going to put your middle finger, the other hand's middle finger, in between that gap, and then you're going to stretch the loop out. So right now you have a bridge of this bridge formed by this loop, these 2 bridges formed by this loop, and you're going to use this bridge to strike the pen. And this loop is pretty much invisible to naked eye or to any human eye, and that's why your spectator won't be able to see that there is something in between your hands. And when you strike the pen is going to fall from their hands, and they're going to feel an invisible force has just made that happen. Now you're not going to do this very slowly, you're going to do it very fast, because this is a trick where you need to give a lot of force. Sometimes you need to give a lot of force in order to make the pen drop from the spectator's hand. So you need to do this move very fast. You need to go towards the pen with this bridge very fast, so that it looks like that you just gave a lot of telekinetic energy and you made the pen fall off their hand. So that's how you're going to make it look like. So once again, let me show you what the performance looks like. I don't have a spectator again, so I'm just going to use this box. I'm just going to keep the pen right over here, as you can see, and the spectator is going to hold the pen in the same upright position. I'm going to rub my hands, and while I rub my hands, I'm just going to wear this loop around my middle finger, and I'm going to form a bridge, and then I'm just going to go with a very high speed. And after going, you can see that the pen has fallen. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to bend my middle finger. The loop comes out from here and again snaps back to this hand, because this is a stretchable loop. It is like elastic. As it expands, it also contracts and it comes back to this hand, and that's how this trick is done. So that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @ShoelAzari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a channel I post entertaining videos and gameplays over there, and the link to the channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.